Hey, I hope you are all doing well today. It's time to break down a big case, making headlines again. But first, hit the like button. Ghislaine Maxwell and her last-ditch appeal to the Supreme Court is underway. You probably remember Maxwell as Jeffrey Epstein's longtime associate, convicted for her role in trafficking underage girls. She's currently serving a 20-year sentence, but her legal team isn't giving up. So, what's going on now? In April 2025, Maxwell's lawyers appealed, arguing that she should never have been prosecuted in New York at all. Why? It all comes down to a deal from years ago. Back in 2007, Epstein allegedly struck a non-prosecution agreement, an NPA, with federal prosecutors in Florida. That deal said the government wouldn't charge his potential co-conspirators. Interesting, right? But here's the twist. Maxwell's name wasn't on that list. List? What list? There's another list? And who is all on the list? Her lawyers say the promise still protected her everywhere, in any federal court. But here's the thing. Both a district court and a federal appeals court have already rejected that argument. And this week, the Department of Justice is urging the Supreme Court to do the same. The DOJ's main point? The Florida prosecutors who made that deal didn't have the power to stop other districts, like New York, from bringing charges unless they got special approval, and they didn't. Plus, they say Maxwell wasn't even a known target back when the agreement was signed. Basically, at most, she was just an incidental third-party beneficiary. This is so confusing. So who are the known targets, back 10 and now? Naturally, the lawyers are trading statements in the press. Maxwell's attorney says she's in prison because the government broke its promise. Simple as that. But on the flip side, lawyers for Epstein's victims say Maxwell deserves no protection and should stay behind bars for her crimes. So, what happens now? Well, the Supreme Court will decide if it even wants to hear Maxwell's case. And with all the Epstein controversy, the Supreme Court might skip over this one. If it turns her appeal away, that's likely the end of the road for Maxwell's legal options. And her sentence stands. This case is a reminder of how complex legal deals can get, especially when so much is at stake. That is, unless she has the Epstein client list. Then, I'm sure she might get a new trial. I'll be watching this one closely, because buried truth need to surface, and the victims deserve justice for all involved. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should old deals protect people years later? Is a deal? Or will justice finally catch up to all involved? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.